05 lang.
Hindi, yan mo lang.
Alright.
Okay, there's the Father.
This is
Dito
the
kami sa
Glory.
Glory Mountain. Thank you, sir, for the privilege na makabisita sa Glory Mountain na napakaganda. Tingnan nyo naman. Ganda ng lugar. Puro pine trees, kaya malamig, tas ang ganda-ganda. Dito na, sa coffee shop.
Yan yata si Prince.
Diba na tayo, magkape.
So,
Pastor. Pastor.
Pero mag-meeting na sila.
Okay.
Sabi lang kayo. Ano lang, meeting lang.
Hi, Fred.
Backwards.
What can you say? Glory Mountain.
Glory Mountain, this is the best place on earth where our beloved pastor restore everything. This is like a mini climate change, all because of our beloved pastor.
And Brother Nino?
Very thankful, Pastor, sa privilege na makabisita rito sa Glory Mountain. Very peaceful and very serene. Praise the Father.
Kayo na. Coffee.
Jen, ano masasabi mo sa Glory Mountain?
Well, as the word says, glory. It's really glorious to be here.
Amen.